The serene lake tide nourishes this land and fosters our personality traits and industriousness, strictness, rigor, and attention to details. We have procured a world-class fully automatic numerical control production line from Italy. And attention to details, we have procured a full set of world-class fully automatic numerical control production line from Italy. We also have plans to procure more advanced production lines from Germany to keep abreast of the highest standard production technologies in the world. Moreover, our mechanical processing capacity has been constantly improving as well. On the strength of our broad resources, we have exported complete sets of processing equipment to Indonesia. Our mechanical processing capacity is expected to increase further. To compete with global giants, you have to adopt international practices. We have established a quality control system in accordance with stringent international standards, and we have obtained ISO 9001 Quality Management Certificate, ISO 14000 Environmental Management System Certificate, and ISO 22000 Food Safety Assurance System Certificate, and QS Industrial Food Production License. To strengthen our marketing network, we have not only consolidated our existing customer base, but also launched aggressive promotional campaigns in selected major markets and established an inclusive operating model. Moreover, we have forged strategic partnerships with the majority of domestic users and work closely with large-scale enterprises under the central government to expand domestic supply and marketing channels. Internationally, we have consolidated our existing resources and implemented a top-level model of close cooperation with clients with strong resources. At present, we have long-term trading ties with more than 300 clients in over 50 countries and regions. Our growth prospects are particularly brilliant in the BRICS: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. We are also committed to promoting the cocoa culture across China and delivering the ultimate cocoa products to our customers. We afford a high priority to the development of cocoa products for end users and have invested heavily in such development. We own special cocoa bean formulas and a number of proprietary core technologies for baking and frying process and cocoa kernel production. 2 of our technologies have been granted national invention patents. We are currently promoting the marketing of a series of cocoa drinks that we have developed, and the prospects for growth remain bright. To sustain our growth momentum, we have also teamed up with the Food College of Jingnan University to develop cocoa butter blend oil, cocoa wine, and other new products. We make constant efforts to intensify management in strict accordance with established rules and regulations. We have established a sound corporate governance structure. Driven by their aspirations for excellence, a significant number of high-caliber professionals have joined us. Presently, more than 30% of our staff are technical and managerial personnel, and over 30% of our employees hold college diplomas and bachelor's or master's degrees. We are committed to our social responsibility as well. Over the past 20 years, we have created more than 1,000 job opportunities, made consistent efforts to improve local transport infrastructure, and contributed more than RMB 5 million to civic and charitable programs. With sizable production, cutting-edge equipment, strong R&D resources, and superior product quality, HUADONG Cocoa has become the top player in China's cocoa industry. We have submitted an IPO application to the China Securities Regulatory Commission. When the fleets of Magellan and Vasco da Gama returned to Europe with cocoa, they couldn't have imagined that cocoa would later become so popular in high society. Neither could they have foreseen the rise of HUADONG Cocoa, a company devoted to excellence from the ancient land of China 600 years later. In the years ahead, HUADONG Cocoa will continue to expand its R&D production and processing capacity, and domestic and foreign trade. It will also endeavor to extend its strategic supply chain and industrial clusters. to build a large cocoa processing facility with an annual capacity of 120,000 tons in the Xinhua Economic Development Zone.
华东可可食品股份有限公司在这近几年的努力下，将会建成亚洲最大的可可食品加工基地，将会推动可可食品在中国市场的健康发展。可可绿色食品将会给人们带来更新、更健康的理念。
In pursuit of excellence and integration of classics with fashion, HUADONG Cocoa is pressing ahead with vigor along the path it has carved out for itself.